Synergy adjustable front track bar for the Ford F-250 and F-350, 1999 to 2004. Installation can be done on the ground, but for the purposes of this video and for clarity, we have raised and supported the vehicle. Begin by removing the factory track bar. Start on the frame side and move to the axle side. Remove the large bolt on the frame and the bolt on the axle. Install the Synergy track bar. The fixed end goes on the axle. The adjustable end will go on the frame. Reinstall the hardware you used during disassembly. The bolts should go in the same position they came out of. Turn the double adjuster until the bolt holes line up. Install the hardware. Torque both the axle side and frame side bolts to 369 foot-pounds. If you raise the vehicle, lower the vehicle back to the ground. With the vehicle at ride height, center the axle by turning the double adjuster on the track bar. With the axle properly centered, torque the pinch bolt to 70 foot-pounds. Installation is complete. For more information on this product or other Synergy products, visit us at synergymfg.com.